Hi everyone, it's Christian from Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre here. Now what I want to show you today is the brand new Alco coupling. It's called the Alco Off-Road Pin Style. There's been a lot of talk about this lately on social media about how good it is. I've had the pleasure of using it and actually fitting it to this customer's caravan, and it's as good as they're talking about. So what I want to show you is how it works and the reasons why it's so good. It's very simple. You back the car up like you do with a normal tow hitch and tow ball, line it up. You don't even need to touch the coupling. Wind the jockey wheel down. And just click straight on. Now what you're looking for, if you just come in a little bit closer, you're looking for this green mark. If this green mark is popped out, it means it's on, it's secure, it's not going anywhere. Now it's very simple to take off the back of the car. All you need to do is push down on the top, push the pin in, it stays in there, wind your jockey wheel up. And off it comes. Very, very simple. You only need one hand to do it, one person. I don't know what else I can say about it. It's a brilliant product by Alco. I highly recommend it, and I can see that Bold Trailers will be fitting it to a lot of caravans. So if you do a lot of off-road caravanning, or you just like the style of this coupling, come and see us at Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. We'd be more than happy to help you out.